Have you noticed those faceless productivity channels that seem to explode out of nowhere? Channels that just a few months ago had no audience and now are racking up millions of views, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and thousands of dollars in monthly revenue. It almost feels too good to be true. So the question is, can we create a channel like this using Vexub? Let's find out. The niche is simple but powerful. Focus, productivity, and study hacks. These are the types of videos that help students, young adults, and anyone struggling with consistency. They teach actionable habits, show easy techniques to stay on track, and break down strategies for getting into flow. The audience is hungry for this content, and the videos don't need flashy editing or on-screen personalities. They just need clarity and structure. Here is how we can replicate it step by step. First, we need a topic. You can brainstorm ideas in ChatGPT or take inspiration from existing channels in this niche. For example, let's pick a title like 3 Simple Morning Habits That Skyrocket Your Productivity. Now head over to vexub.com, select text to video, then click on go to step 2. Since this will be long form content, select horizontal format and continue to step 3. You will see an option to use an animated narrator, but for a fully faceless video, choose no narrator. Then pick a voice that feels natural for your audience and proceed to step 4. This is where Vexub works its magic. Paste your video title and click generate script. Within seconds, you have a complete script. You can tweak it to add your own examples, references, or style it to make it feel authentic. Another trick is to reference a high-performing video, scrap its transcript, and rewrite it using ChatGPT to create a fresh, unique script. Next is the visual style. Vexub offers multiple image styles for your video. For productivity content, human visuals or minimal, clean animations work best. You can also use the custom style feature to specify colors, backgrounds, or characters for consistency across your videos. For this example, we'll stick with human visuals. Then click on Start Generation. After a while, Vexub finishes creating the video. Let's preview it.
Most people waste their mornings. You wake up groggy, scroll through your phone, and rush out the door. What if I told you there are 3 simple habits that can...
The first result is usually very polished, but you can customize scenes, replace AI-generated visuals, or use stock footage to match your narration perfectly. Once you are satisfied, export the video. And just like that, you now have a fully polished faceless productivity video ready to publish. With Vexub, you can turn this niche into a consistent YouTube channel without ever showing your face or hiring an editor. So yes, this type of channel can absolutely be created using Vexub. Pick your topic, follow the steps, and start building your automated channel. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how it goes, and I will show you more niches you can test next. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.